Hello there, Joylanders. This is Francine, and I am at our wonderful sauna here at Sweethome. So being that we have multiple guests that will be using it, we really want to pay attention to cleaning the sauna after every use. So when somebody comes in and uses the sauna, we don't allow them to use any type of perfumes or aromatherapy or anything like that. But when people are sitting in the sauna, they are naturally going to sweat and perspire. And so all of that will fall on, hopefully they're sitting on a towel, or it will also get on the seats and any of the floor that we have on. So our job when we're coming into the sauna after guest use is to take a look around and see if there's any debris, if there's anything on the floor, on the seats, you know, if they brought in, if anybody walked in here with any dust on their shoes. And I can see a little bit that's going on here. And also if they left towels. So we want to take out everything and get it off the seats. We also used to have a bucket of water in here, and I just pulled that out, and we'll have to refresh that. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take our handy dandy brush, and I'm just going to sweep everything off gently. This is not a scrubbing brush. We don't want to scrub anything. We just want to gently remove any particles, any kind of dust that is on it, like you see right here. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. And pay particular attention to these front doors, all the little crevices, and making sure that you get any of the debris out from underneath it. Especially during the winter time, you'll get a little bit of moss maybe, and so we want to make sure that's all taken care of on these outside doors. We never clean the inside windows. This is just a quick little note. We'll clean the outside windows with regular window cleaner. Inside, we can just wipe them lightly just with plain water. Okay, friends, so we've done all our cleaning inside. We've swept everything, vacuumed. Now it's time to get a cleaning mixture. And the cleaning mixture is very simple. You will find these cleaning supplies in the garage on the shelf. Very easy to find. On the bucket itself, it'll tell you how to make up the basic cleaning mixture. And all it is a natural type cleaner, which is our baking soda. So we do have our measuring spoon in there, and all it is 1 tablespoon of this baking soda, and we're gonna pop that in there, and we're just gonna kind of mix that around. Baking soda is a natural cleaner, so we never want to use anything that is not natural, because that can harm our sauna. So let's take our buckets. The other thing is we have our buckets marked. We have 2 buckets here that will be available. One is going to be our mixture of cleaning. The other one is just plain water for rinsing. So all we're going to do is gently clean all our surfaces. So we're just dipping our sponge. You can also use rags, but I find the sponges are a lot easier to work with. I'll wring out as much as I can, but I want enough on here that I'm able to get just a light layer, and I'm just wiping this down. It's going to help in getting, you know, any germs or anything like that. And there's another little platform right here, which I call the step stool, and we're just going to be wiping that down too. Now, in the event that you see a really tough stain on there, just let the property manager know, and the property manager will come back and take a look at it and see exactly what it means. Okay, friends, we just got done of wiping down all of the interior of the sauna. As you can see, I've got a little bit of dirt here, and this mainly came from the last cleaning of the floor. The floor by far is going to be the dirtiest, and you can see that I've just wiped everything down in there. Now it'll need a little bit of a rinse, and we will not use obviously the same water. You have your second bucket that is full of just plain water. So I'm going to pay attention to rinsing the floor in this case, since that seemed to be the dirtiest of them all. And I am just going to put a little bit of it on here and just let it rinse off. And you may need multiple buckets of this. If your seats were really, really dirty, you're going to want to rinse off everything that you can. And again, it's just pouring it over like that, and it's going to drain off. And there is a drain at the bottom, so don't worry about that. There is a drain at the bottom of the floor that gets all this water out, and then the water will dry. All right, friends, so another thing that we can do is sanitize our sauna. And we want to do this if we have guests that are staying for longer than a few days. And this just helps in making sure that our sauna stays nice and clean. And the sanitary process is using our spray bottle and using our natural cleaner, which is peroxide. And the instructions are on the bottle on how we're going to mix it. It's equal parts water and hydrogen peroxide. We can also use vinegar, but right now we do have the bottles of hydrogen peroxide available to us. So we've already mixed them up, and it's as simple as taking our spray bottle and we're going to spray it. So we want a fine spray mist, and we're just going to spray that all over, just like that. Again, you can wipe that a little bit with a sponge, and then you're going to rinse like I did when we just did the wipe down. So get your bucket of water and you're going to rinse, and it may take multiple buckets of water to do that and get a good rinse on that. The next step is you're going to have to let it dry. Best thing to do is to leave the door open and let the air come in and dry that. And again, you'll find all your product, all your supplies are going to be in the garage, and there'll be complete instruction sheets that comes along with that. So awesome. I hope someday you get to enjoy the sauna yourself and enjoy the benefits that come with using our sauna. Bye.